Hi, and welcome to Unique Spirits, where we got the good tarot. So we are unboxing it, seeing what the good tarot is all about. From what I have seen, this artwork is amazing. Oh my lord. Look. So we're gonna do a little tarot read on the good tarot. So what message does the good tarot have for us? Yes. Oh, these cards run so smoothly through my hands. Oh. Right. Ooh, we got 4 of water. And we got 3 of water. So 3 of cups and 4 of cups. It's asking you, what are you disappointed about? Like, when it comes to your emotions, when it comes to your heart, when it comes to what really means a lot to you. You're disappointed when it comes to your heart. And why is that? That's something you really need to think about. Only you can fix that. No one else. No one's here to fix that. 6 of water. That's 6 of cups, which means the past. You are very tied to the past. You are very connected to the past. And if you are so connected to the past, why don't you go to the past? That would be my question. Find out. Find out from the past. And if not, move forward. However that resonates for you. Last card. 6 of Pentacles. Balance. That's how you'll find balance. Go within. Do as needed. Look at that. And you will manifest your dreams for sure. That's what I have for you. As does the good tarot. All my information's down below. Please like, share, subscribe. Peace, love, light, namaste.